What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now we're at the junkyard hunting for some Z parts. A Z came in, I think it was yesterday morning, and it has a good driver's side fender, so I want to see what's up with that. Hopefully it's still here. So section 8 IMP, row 108. Right this way. Let me find the car real quick, guys, and I'll pick it back up. All right, guys, so I'm back home. I'm sorry I couldn't record at the junkyard. Well, I didn't find what I was looking for, which was the driver's side fender. The fender, everything else was good, but it had like a little hit right here. So I decided to not take it because of that. So I picked up some little small stuff there. What else? And also I'm gonna show you the Nismo bumper I bought. Oh, I also picked up this pillar. I'll show you right now. Alright, so this is what I got from the junkyard. I got the base for the battery cover. Usually these and the cover get lost after a accident. I don't know why, but they just tend to, I don't know, disappear. So I got that. This is what I got at the junkyard. The emblem, the little cover, and this right here. Because actually the one on this one is cracked. This one's actually good. I got this for these little 3 things right here. Was 20 bucks. So it's not bad, because if you buy this from someone, they usually charge you like 50, 60 bucks. So yeah, here's the pillar, you know, with the little fucking this right here. I need to remove this one, because as I can see, the old pillar flew off or something, because there's the rest of it right here. So yeah, I'm gonna remove that one, install a new one. And I also, that carbon boys. I picked up the passenger fender, which I'm gonna put on just to see how it bolts up and stuff. So yeah, this is gonna be a little video, just little things that I got. So let's get to it. It's a pretty simple install. You take off these little clips right here. There's 3 of them, and then under this right here are just screws. You know, like, I don't know, like 10 screws, whatever. You bolt it up. The little last clip right here, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So this is OEM color right here. I got it from my buddy's Nismo. He has a red Nismo. I'm gonna drop his IG right here. You should follow him. He's really helping me with he gave me a lot of the front end parts. He gave me the pillar, he gave me the fender. He's the one that gave me the airbags. I'm gonna drop his IG. You wanna check him out. He has a Nismo, and then he has another 350Z that's a Nismo replica with all OEM parts. So yeah. Right, guys, let me show you the OEM color. It's dirty, but OEM, the respray they gave. So it's a difference right there. Next thing I'm gonna do is, well, I'm not gonna install that right now. I'm not gonna do this right now. Just in here. Yee. Here's the radiator support I have. So actually, let's do the fender. What I'm gonna do right now is just unbolt the fender then. And I have the other one for this one. I've just been lazy about it. Yeah. All right, guys, so I got the fender on. It was just like a quick install. I didn't bolt up the bottom bolts. Only have it held down by 1 bolt, but either way, I know it's not aligned perfectly, because it does need some work right here in this area. So, and you can see it doesn't line up right here, but it's not that bad, you feel me? It's like, it's okay, but either way, does need some work for it to fit perfectly there. Yeah, this is the old fender. I don't think this fender wasn't even OEM. It should have a Nissan little sticker right there, and it doesn't have it. This one is OEM, and it does have the little Nissan. You can see right here. Yeah, this fender was not OEM. Also, that fender had, where is it? Where the hell did I lose it? Oh god. It had like the little 370Z blinkers aside. I don't know if I should keep that or just leave the stock one on. I don't know. I have it on both sides. I'm gonna keep it just in case, but I doubt I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna take that Nismo logo off of that one. But yeah, see right there. Also, I really need this freaking fender, man. You can see the pillar there. So yeah, guys, pretty much it for this update. Oh, okay. I'm gonna show you guys the Nismo bumper on this next clip. All right, guys. So this is the Nismo bumper I was talking about. Which now I don't know if I'm gonna end up using, just cause one of my boys is holding a Nismo bumper for me, which is in great condition. It's OEM, and you know, it doesn't have to be fixed. Just a straight slap on and just paint it. But I also did pick this one up for 150 bucks. So the damage it has, tabs are bad on both sides. Lip is good though. Nothing happened. Well, except for the other part. I'll show you guys right now. Yeah, this tab is completely gone. And now it has that right there. Now, it is fixable. I got a quote already to fix it, which is 300 bucks. But I just don't know if I should. Basically what they do is cut that part out that's messed up and have this piece from the old bumper. Yeah, guys, this is the old front bumper. Look at that. It's trash completely. Which is right here. So you see, this is the part that I'm missing on that bumper. So I don't know what they do. They just cut it out and then they weld it on. Yes, guys, body shops could weld plastic. But I just don't know how that will come out. It's a risky thing to do. So I don't know. Just buy my boys and don't have to worry about it, or just sell this one, get my money back. It was 150 bucks, so it's pretty cheap. I've seen Nismo bumpers with like cracked ass lips sell for 500 plus. So yeah. Yes, tab just completely gone. Yeah, guys, that's it for this video.